Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Pure Islamic Living, where we explore the beauty and richness of Islam. Today we are delving into a simple yet profound phrase that binds Muslims together. Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Meaning of Assalamualaikum. Breaking it down, Assalamu comes from the root word Salam, meaning peace, safety and security. Adding a signifies the innovation of Allah's protection, while Alaikum wishes it upon you. So saying Assalamu Alaikum is essentially wishing peace and Allah's blessings upon someone. The Prophet Muhammad emphasized the importance of greeting with Salam in numerous Hadith. He said, "Spread Salam among yourselves when you meet in the streets, greet one another in your gatherings." Tirmizi. Benefits of saying Assalamu Alaikum. But saying Assalamu Alaikum goes beyond mere etiquette. It has numerous benefits. Spreading peace and brotherhood. This simple greeting fosters a sense of community and togetherness among Muslims. It reminds us that we are part of a larger ummah, bound by the thread of faith and peace, earning rewards. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever spreads salam will be rewarded tenfold. Whoever returns the salam will be rewarded 20-fold. And whoever initiates and returns the salam will be rewarded 30-fold. Tirmizi. Imagine the countless rewards accumulated with each sincere salam, softening hearts and removing misunderstandings. A warm greeting can break down barriers, soften hearts, and pave the way for positive interactions. It can even mend strained relationships, as the Prophet ﷺ said, "Do not neglect even the slightest of good deeds, even if it is just meeting your brother with a smiling face or saying salam." Muslim. Invoking Allah's blessings. By wishing peace and Allah's blessing upon others, we invoke His mercy and protection not only for them but also for ourselves. Remember, the Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever says Assalamu Alaikum and it is not returned to him, the angels will say Wa Alaikum until the day of judgment." Tirmizi. Practical tips for saying Assalamu Alaikum. Let's make Assalamu Alaikum more than just a word. Here are some tips. Initiate the greeting. Don't wait for someone else to say it first. Take the initiative to spread peace. Say it with a smile and sincerity. Let your greeting reflect genuine warmth and care. Make eye contact and use a clear voice. Show respect and ensure your salam is heard. Greet everyone regardless of age or status. Remember, Muslims are brothers and sisters in faith. Let's summarize our topic. Assalamu Alaikum is more than a greeting. It is a reminder of our values and a way of life. Let's make it a cornerstone of our interactions, both online and offline. By doing so, we can contribute to a world filled with peace, understanding, and the blessings of Allah. Please like and subscribe for more meaningful Islamic content. Share this video with your loved ones. Tell us in the comments how you incorporate Assalamu Alaikum into your daily life. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.